Moch Rezki Ismawandi. I will explain how to use the marketplace feature on Facebook to offer something. First, of course, you must have a. Here I am not discussing creating an account because maybe someone has already discussed my other friend. Secondly, open the Facebook application. Then look at the top bar. The first eye is opponent home page or timeline. Second icon, the group post, and the three part is the video post that we can watch. And fourth icon, this marketplace feature. After we click, then the marketplace post appear people. This post usually appear based on what often look for. Also, the close radius of your position, which I will explain, is to make an offer for item we are going to sell. Here, there is an option to create a new listing. Create new listing button. The third part, we fill in the column according to order. We upload photos of the item. Next, and title. The price. And category, this item, electronic and computer. The select condition, brand, size or dimension, this description box. Next, you can send it on the homepage, news feed, or group you are following. Next, finish, and this marketplace post that you successful uploaded. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.